Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss how to use external CSS method in HTML. So in external CSS method, an external style sheet file is connected with the HTML page by using the link element. This is an approach which is used to provide a way for multiple web pages to be associated or connected with the same external style sheet file. So in external style sheet method, the code doesn't contain any of the HTML tag, it only contains the CSS style rules. So here this is a CSS file, it only contains the CSS style rules. So for that we have to use the syntax like the selector and declaration. So here body act as a selector and the portion in the curly brackets is a declaration part. So here in declaration part there are two property that sets the background and the foreground color of the web page. So in this way we can declare the CSS style rules in the CSS file. So and CSS file is saved by using the .css extension, this extension .css. So to link this code with the HTML code, so this is a program where we link this page with the HTML code. So for that we are using the link element. So this is a HTML program, we are using the external CSS method. So a big advantage of this method is that the styles are configured in a single file. So this is a time saving method to design a large web pages, because if there is any change in the style, that change must be done here in this single file, and the changes that occur here in this single file will be automatically done in this HTML code. So for that we are using here this link element. So this link element associates an external style sheet with a web page or connect the external style sheet or CSS sheet with a HTML code, and it is placed in a head section of a page. So it must be placed here in this head section. You can see that the body section of this HTML code is same as like the previous programs, but there is only changes in this head section. Here we are declaring the new element known as link element. So this link element is a standalone or the void tag. There is nothing like the closing tag with this link tag. So that's why this tag is a standalone void tag. So there are three attributes that we have to use with this link element. These attributes are relation attribute, hypertext reference attribute, and the type attribute. Here we are using these two attributes. This one is the relation attribute. The value of relation attribute is the style sheet, and the value for the hypertext reference is the name of the style sheet file. So here we have to give the name of the style sheet file or the CSS file. So the CSS file name is color.css. The same name we have to give here in this hrefs attribute. So here we are not using the type attribute because it is optional in HTML5. So these are the two attributes which we are using in link element. So let's run this program and see how it will be displayed in the browser. So click over launch in Chrome. So it will be displayed like this. So if we have to make any of the changes, we have to make changes in this style sheet. So like here I am changing the background color to cyan color and the color of foreground color to the red color. So save the program and refresh the browser. So it will change like this. So it means if we made any of the changes in the CSS file, it will be automatically done in this HTML code, because we have linked these two pages by using this link element. So this is all about how to use the external CSS method in HTML. Thank you.